Hey, welcome back. I'm Jerry. We're at the mill again. And look what's on the mill. We have that big log, that 11-foot 8-inch log that we had on a couple weeks ago. So it's on now. I have some boards. You saw me mill that maple last week for a friend of mine who we got a little bartering deal worked out. We'll talk about that in a little bit. And he needs some oak boards. He needs some 3/4 inch boards and some 1-inch boards. He only needs, I'm going to give him probably half the log, and then I need a couple 1.5-inch boards by 10-inch for some stair runners. So how big is it? We know it's 11 feet 8 inches, but I forgot the width, the diameter on this thing. 17 inches, 18 inches. Ooh, got the saw head part pretty close to it right here. So we're going to say, if I recall, it was pretty much the same. So it's pretty even, but it does have a little crown to it, or a little belly to it. But hey, if it's your first time stopping by the channel, thanks for coming along. Hopefully you like the content, and if you feel good about it, subscribe. If you don't like the channel, don't worry about it. I do appreciate that each and every one of you stopped by, and all the guys that have been here from the beginning. I really appreciate it. It's a cool community to be in, the sawmill firewood business community. A lot of fun. So the channel's slowly growing. We're getting there. We're doing some fun things though, and I'm documenting all this. Someday my grandkids might be interested to see what Grandpa Jerry used to do. So we're going to turn this into stuff meaning lumber, and get this going. The mill's fired up. The only thing I have to do, I forgot to do this last time, these help a lot, these little felt sweepers. I forgot to soak them in oil last time. So what I do with these felt pads, I have this jar of synthetic transmission fluid. And usually I put them in right when we're done for the day. But I completely forgot. And I forgot last time too. So we'll do it this time. It does make the cleaning of the track a lot easier. So I warmed the mill up. I've got everything set. The magnet, the limit switch is set. I do have a freshly sharpened 7-degree blade right there. We have some life on this blade, so I'm going to at least try to get this down into a manageable cant. If we need to switch it, we'll switch it. This is going to be a heavy log to roll, so I'm going to roll it from the other side. There's not one knot in this log. I got to show you guys this. Check this log out. Put it in there, but I said I wanted 10s. Oh, we're gonna get it. Thought it was smaller than that. I'm kind of upset with myself, guys. I totally misjudged the first cut here. I could have got a whole nother board out of here. Dang it all. Oh well. And this is really nice oak. I could actually put this slab back on the mill, and I might do that at the end. Guys, that oak is done. I'm really happy with it. In the center, it started getting a little funky, so there's a couple boards with some cracks and some holes, and I did see a hole at the end of the log there, so there might have been some ants in there. No ants came out of it, but there's a little rot spot. But these are almost 12 foot long, 11 feet 8 inches, and that should do it for them. So I mentioned at the beginning of the video how he's paying me. We're bartering for kielbasa. This guy can make some of the best kielbasa in the world. So 30 pounds of kielbasa for these two piles. I say that's a fair deal for me. But everything worked good today, except I've never had this issue with the mill before. My power seemed like it was pulsating. It wasn't, right at the end, it wasn't going up smooth, and it wasn't coming back smooth. It was ying, 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 up like that, and then traveling back, it was doing the same thing. Slow down, slow down, slow down. So I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe my power supply is starting to go, because I was watching the voltmeter, and it would, you know, obviously there's voltage draw when I go up as opposed to down. Down's easy. Lifting that thing's a lot of weight. And it usually goes down to about, you know, it's at 24 volts, but it goes down to about 20 volts when I'm going up. And it was going from 20 to 7, to 20 to 7, 20 to 7. So I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to have to check. And I thought maybe something was binding. So I oiled some stuff up. And that wasn't the case, because now it's doing it on the back feed too. So I'm wondering if the 24 volt power supply is crapping out. If it is, it's not a hard one to change because it's right on the side of the mill. So I'll keep an eye on it. I'm going to play with it here, but I got to put some of this stuff up. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Do me a favor, smash that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Share it with a friend if so inclined. I really enjoy being out here, and I really enjoy taking you guys along with me. So you guys have a great day and take care. And here comes the rain.